Welcome to a prosperous new year with Feng Shui. Hello, beautiful souls. As we step into this brand new year, let's embrace the positive energy and harmony that Feng Shui can bring into our lives. Feng Shui, the ancient Chinese art of placement, teaches us how to align our environment with the natural flow of energy, or qi, to invite prosperity, health, and happiness into our homes and lives. As we welcome 2026, let's talk about setting the right energy for an amazing year ahead, inspired by a little Feng Shui magic. Here are a few Feng Shui tips to start your year off right. Tip number 1, clear the clutter. Begin by decluttering your space. Removing unnecessary items can help clear stagnant energy and make room for new opportunities. Tip number 2, welcome the light. Natural light is a source of vibrant energy. Open your curtains and let the sunlight in to uplift your space and spirit. Tip number 3, balance the elements. Incorporate the 5 Feng Shui elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water into your home to create balance and harmony. Tip number 4, freshen up your front door. Your front door is the entry point for energy. Keep it clean and welcoming to attract positive energy into your home. Tip number 5, add greenery. Plants symbolize growth and vitality. Adding a few green plants can enhance the flow of positive energy. As we welcome this new year, let's set our intentions and create a space that reflects our goals and dreams. May your year be filled with abundance, joy, and peace. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Feng Shui tips and inspiration. Happy New Year! Only good vibes from Auspicious Feng Shui.